You get around 30,000 days to live. That's it. If you're 30 years old, you've already used about 11,000 of them. And the scary part? Most people live the next 19,000 days just like the first 11,000, stuck in the same habits, same routines, same regrets. But this video could change that. In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through a step-by-step guide to help you make the rest of your life count, from how we experience time to how you can design a life that actually matters. Chapter 1. Why time feels faster as we age. Ever notice how childhood summers felt endless, but now years fly by? There's a reason for that. Our brains remember new experiences, not the repeated ones. When you're a kid, everything is new. As an adult, life becomes a loop: work, eat, scroll, sleep, and it blurs together. Try these. 1. The novelty challenge. Once a week, try something completely new. Take a class, try a weird recipe, explore a neighborhood you've never been to. 2. Memory anchors. Make 3 memorable moments every month. It could be a unique dinner, a road trip, or just doing something different with friends. 3. Quarterly resets. Every 3 months, switch up one big routine, like your workout, your route to work, or your morning ritual. Shake your brain up. Chapter 2. Most people get priorities wrong. Most of us spend almost all our time doing what feels urgent and barely any on what actually matters. Ask someone on their deathbed if they wish they'd answered more emails. You already know the answer. Use the 4-box method. First part of the box is for things that are important but not urgent, like relationships, health, and learning new things. Second part of the box, important and urgent, like deadlines, crises. Third part, urgent but not important, like notifications or most meetings. And fourth part, neither important nor urgent, like mindless scrolling and random browsing. Tip: look at your past week. For every hour you spent in boxes 3 or 4, move 15 minutes into box 1. Pause here if you need to take this in. It's worth it. Chapter 3. Build your relationship portfolio. Relationships are like bank accounts. It's the small, regular deposits that grow, not one big gift once a year. A short weekly call means more than one big vacation together. Try the 5-5-5 system. 5 close people you talk to or check in with every week. 5 mentors or people you learn from. Connect once a month. 5 new people you meet each quarter to grow your network. Chapter 4. Rethink career growth. Forget climbing a ladder. That model's outdated. Think more like a jungle gym, where you move sideways, build skills, and grow in new directions. Here's what works now. Skill stacking. Combine unexpected skills like video editing plus finance equals financial YouTuber. Adjacent opportunities. Your next best gig is probably just outside your current role or skill set. Reputation compounding. Doing small things well, consistently, builds massive trust over time. Real example: an accountant who learned animation now makes financial explainer videos and earns 5 times more than she used to. Chapter 5. Protect your energy like money. Time is useless without energy, and most people don't manage theirs. Your brain power changes up to 300% during the day, depending on how you use it. Energy hacks: 90-minute sprints, work in focus bursts, then take real breaks. Eat smart, protein early in the day, carbs later when your willpower drops. Recharge properly. 20-minute nap or 10-minute meditation can reset your brain. A quick reset: do 5 squats, take 5 deep breaths, and spend 5 minutes outside. It boosts your focus fast. Chapter 6. Learn better, not longer. Learning isn't about how much you consume. It's about what you create with it. The fastest way to learn anything is to teach it, even if you're new. Try the 50% rule. Spend half your learning time applying what you're learning or teaching it to someone else. For example, learning about communication? Teach a 5-minute version of it to a friend right now. Chapter 7. Build your money around freedom. Money isn't about buying more stuff. It's about buying back your time. But here's what most people miss. As your income goes up, your lifestyle usually inflates with it and steals your freedom quietly. The freedom formula: passive income plus low fixed costs equals more choices. Chapter 8. How to make bold choices. Regrets usually come from the things we didn't do, not the ones we tried and failed. Use the regret test. Imagine yourself at 80. Ask, Will I regret not doing this? If the answer is yes, the risk is probably worth it, but don't forget your moral and ethical values, your life investment plan. Every single day is like putting money into your life savings account. The return comes from making small, consistent investments in the stuff that really matters. Here's a simple plan: 1 hour a week, learning something new, 30 minutes a day, connecting with people 15 minutes daily to plan, and 5 minutes to just be present and breathe. Start with one of these, just one. The best time to start was 20 years ago. The second best time, right now. What part of this video hit you hardest? Drop it in the comments and tag someone who needs this reminder today.